Hello and welcome everybody to Legovesting, and in this episode we're going to be doing and creating a prototype of the pirate ship Getaway Castaway vehicle. To do this we are going to actually take one apart and create it all over again. This is the fun thing about Legos. Let's break it. And one of the pieces got totally lost. Before I get started, there was actually a few other missing pieces that I totally messed up on. So what you need is two additional of those miniature 1x2 bricks. You actually need 3 pieces that looks like this, and one exactly like this, a tile that looks like that. So now we are ready to get started to create our masterpiece. So first off, you want to put the demo right next to you so you know what you're actually working on. And the most important part is to create the foundation for this. So foundation actually starts with one brick that looks exactly like that. After you put it over here, you're going to be adding 2 pieces on this side right there. And zoom in so you can see more details right here. Next part is to add this brick all the way at the top. And now next thing you want to do is to add those on the side right here. Let's do that, putting them on the side. Now every one of those you add up the circle piece as well on both sides of this too, right here. Make sure you add every single one exactly how I show you, otherwise you're gonna mess up and it's not gonna look good. Next step for you is to add this to the side of it, just like that. So now it looks a lot more clear what you're doing. Now of course you would need 4 pieces like this. We'll be adding them on the side as well. So let's add them to the side. So every side is going to be complete right here. Now we're doing the same thing to the other side as well. It's very easy to construct it once you get all the correct pieces lined up exactly where you need them to be actually put at, such as this one right there. And now this boat looks exactly how it should be looking, except over here so you put this miniature piece right there as well. A few other pointers for you once you get to this step where you're almost done is that if you don't want this to actually show up, you can put something else over here instead. So you can put a long piece that covers this up, this space right here, and it's going to be a 2x4. If you put it up, it's going to show up. Otherwise there's going to be a space right there that's going to show the water, which is cool if people or the minifigures want to see the shark infested water below it. You put the treasure on top, and this treasure is going to have a nasty surprise in it. A dynamite stick right now. So let's not show this to the minifigure so he doesn't know. Here's the barrel. Here's the top thing over here. Goes right inside. Make sure it fits in. There we go. You can put it that way if you want, but the real way to put it is to put this one on top of it as well. This is not easy to put in. Oopsie. Now, here we had something that we made a mistake in. You would need one of those pieces over there in order for this to actually work. And I actually didn't do it. So what I'm going to be doing is putting this one in and improvising with a different piece right here. But it should be a circle one instead. It still works. It's still in. Not as good as it should be. So one thing I do suggest for you to do is to get the correct piece in there. It looks exactly like this. The correct piece would be put all the way in the top, because now it's going to fit all in. See, every piece has a use to it, and if you get the correct or incorrect piece, especially if you get the wrong piece, it's not going to work for you. And the flag all the way in the top of this. And of course, the final step is to compare both of those boats together to see which one looks more amazing. So here they are, both of the boats. I really like the red finish to this compared to the gray finish right here. It is almost identical boat, different kind of flags to them. And of course the minifigure is gonna explode. Open this up and poof, it's gonna explode. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it a lot. And if you're ready to get started creating your own Lego sets and things like that, make sure you check out the link below. There's going to be a link below that says how you can subscribe to this channel, and of course get the complete class where it shows lots of other videos how you can create your own custom made MOC mini figures. Enjoy and have a great day.